Today I'm working on a 2016 BMW 2 Series. It's a 228. I'm replacing the windshield squirter pump. It's located up here, kind of behind the fender, and you get to it through this on the passenger side. Wheel well liner has to be removed, first step. So it's little grommets. They're plastic rivets. You have to get those three out, and all of these fasteners. These are just little. Use a 10 millimeter socket. They're plastic nuts. You take those off, and then a torque screw there, and a couple little screws at the bottom here, you know, as you can see. And then just get this liner right out of the way. So I'm gonna do that right now. All right, now with the back section of the wheel well liner removed, you can see the reservoir. That's the fluid reservoir. This pump that you see mounted up higher is for the headlight squirter. That's a different pump with a larger outlet, and the one mounted down lower, more towards the back there, is for the windshield wipers. So the windshield squirter. So what you have to do is take this reservoir right out of there. There's not much holding this in place, really. You can see at the bottom it plugs into the end of the tank. Just kind of plugs into a hole that goes into a bracket. So you have to pretty much just remove this screw that's up top. It's just a 10 millimeter, and just kind of wiggle it around and pull it up a little bit till it comes out of the bottom grommet, and then you can kind of fight this thing out into the open where you can work on it a little bit. So I'm going to do that now. Quick thing I forgot to mention, after you pull the wheel well liner, whenever you can go up, you have to go up here and take the little filler neck. There's one screw here that holds the filler neck to the chassis, and then the other side just kind of hooks on. So pull that out of the way and pull this piece of trim out of the way right here, and then you'll be able to get the reservoir out with the neck. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, now I took that screw off there, and I took the that one bolt that secured that off up top, and I was able to just kind of take the top and swing it out enough to unhook this bottom. It actually kind of hooks into that hole at the bottom of the reservoir, so you have to kind of get the top of it towards the front of the car and then rock it out of there. So once you get it this far, you can get to the pumps and get everything you need. So it's very simple to remove these. You just undo these little clips with a little pocket screwdriver and pull the line off. This black section of the clip just pulls off the side, and then you pull it straight away. Undo this plug, and then you can rotate the pump so that this barb is outwards, and then just pull straight up out of the reservoir. That's it. Stick a new grommet on it, push the new pump in, rotate it that way, put your line back on, plug it in, and put everything back together the way it was. So that's it. It's not too bad of a job, really. It's a little bit of a fight, but it's not too bad. So hope this helps. Thanks.